Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Dark blue color, green color, yellow color, sky blue color, orange color, pink color, light green color, light purple color, and last one is brown color. Kids, now we draw A and use brown color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. Kids, now you draw D and use blue color. T for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. Kids, now you draw G and use yellow color. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. Kids, now you draw M. M for moon. N for nose. O for orange. Kids, now you draw P. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. Kids, now you draw S. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. Kids, now you draw V. V for van. W for wheel. X for xylophone. Kids, now you draw Y. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers. 1, 2, 3. Kids, now you draw 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.